Hey,
Zach,
what's
how are you?
up?
Good to
Good,
see
how
ya.
are you?
Yeah, too bad.
Excited to fly with you again.
Yeah.
We're about to go up in this helicopter here with Intrepid Helicopters to shoot a photo for one of our clients. We're doing a doors off flight, so that's gonna be fun and cold. While many of our projects are unmanned aircraft based, sometimes our clients' project needs require us to operate outside the regulatory limits of drones. This project called for a series of high-altitude images up to 10,000 feet, which required coordination with air traffic control at Toledo Express Airport, the ability for us to shoot unobstructed without a door, and our pilot to execute banking maneuvers so we could get just the right shot angle. One of the advantages we have when using manned aircraft, other than being able to operate at higher altitudes, is the ability to cover distances between project sites faster.
God, I'm cold standing here. I wasn't even in the thing.
9,000.
What did you do over here when it swooped in?
Oh, that was a auto rotation, yeah.
Really cool, and say he turned the engine off, which is kind of like what he did. No way.
How was your experience, Chris?
It was good. It was good. We got some good shots for a client. It was freezing cold. I don't know what the temperature is. Probably below 30. So when you're on a helicopter without a door, it's an interesting experience in that temperature. But yeah, it's here. Here it goes. Here it goes. Getting put away. Yeah. See what I mean? Like, just moves this whole thing by himself.
Someone's always got a bigger, better drone.